Hello, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to be sharing my unboxing and first impressions of the Active 2.0 electric pressure washer. But before we dive into it, if you're new here, please consider subscribing for more tech and automotive news and reviews. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Alright, let's get into it. To give you a bit of a background, my old pressure washer was a Greenwork model. I'd had it for a few years and, frankly, it did its job. But recently, it gave up on me. The pump stopped working and the warranty on the unit has expired. So, I started researching for a new pressure washer around the same price, and after going through numerous reviews and product descriptions, I decided to settle for the Active 2.0 electric pressure washer. Now, it's important to note here that I'm not a professional detailer. I'm just a regular guy who needs a good, reliable pressure washer for home use. Think along the lines of cleaning patios, washing cars, and blasting off mildew from the fence. Right off the bat, I must say that the packaging was impressive. It was securely packed, ensuring that the product reached me in perfect condition. I have ordered the full kit that comes bundled with a decent set of accessories right out of the box. Let's get to the unboxing. First up, the kit comes with a 600 ml foam cannon instead of a detergent tank like my old Greenworks model. This is a nice touch since I will use the pressure washer for car washing a lot more often than cleaning the house. I will reserve judgment until I get a chance to use it for my next car wash. Next, the Active 2.0 unit itself. The first thing that caught my eye was its sleek design. It's compact, yet sturdy looking, and the gunmetal gray color gives it a professional appeal. It's a good sign when a product's aesthetics are appealing, right? With the 35-foot electric cord with GFCI, finding an electric outlet to plug in will be not a problem. Moving on, there's the 20-foot high-pressure hose. It's steel reinforced and feels sturdy, maybe a little stiffer than the braided hose that comes with the Greenworks. It should withstand regular use without any issues. I do wish the hose to be longer so I don't have to move the unit when I am washing my car. I think I will go with a longer aftermarket hose as an upgrade later. Speaking of nozzles, the Active 2.0 comes with 4 different nozzles: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees. These give you a good range of options, from a narrow high-pressure stream to a wide low-pressure fan, perfect for various cleaning tasks around the house. Finally, the pressure washer gun and wand. It feels robust and well built. The grip is comfortable, and the trigger requires just the right amount of pressure, not too hard, not too soft. It also features a safety lock mechanism, which is a nice touch for preventing any accidental sprays. The pressure washer wand easily screws onto the gun. The wand also has a quick connect feature for the nozzles, which is so much more convenient than having to screw them on and off. The assembly was pretty straightforward. The instruction manual is clear and easy to understand, and it took me no more than 5 minutes to put it all together. A big plus for someone like me who wants things to be simple and efficient. Firing it up for the first time, I was really impressed by how quiet it was. My old Greenwork model was noticeably louder. The Active 2.0 seems to strike a balance between power and noise, which I appreciate. The 1800-watt motor with the patented 5-piston pro pump helps generate a peak pressure of 1,800 psi, and an increased water flow of 2.0 GPM gives you 3,600 cleaning units of output. So far, I'm really impressed with the Active 2.0 electric pressure washer. It's powerful, it's easy to use, and it's relatively quiet. The build quality seems excellent, and the design is practical and user-friendly. It feels like a step up from my old Greenworks unit. I'll be doing a more comprehensive review after a few weeks of use to see how it stands up over time, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. That's it for this unboxing and first impressions video of the Active 2.0 electric pressure washer. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about the product or if there's anything specific you want me to cover in my follow-up review, leave a comment below. Until next time, stay safe and keep it clean.